But if you're not around like-minded people with the same drive, same culture, you're not going to perform as well. If you get around people that are doing 250 contacts a week, guess what? You're going to strive to do 250 contacts a week. Hey guys, many of you reached out to me saying, hey, we think we want to start door knocking. And they're like, how is the best way to get started? How do we plunge into this market? How do we learn the things we need to know? What do we do? Like, we're already knocking doors for a little bit every day. What courses should I buy to get me to that next level? I'm going to tell you the answer. Guys, you can dive in and you can start buying the courses and they're going to help you. They're going to help you. But really what you need is to immerse yourself in a culture that is just door-to-door salespeople. Like our group on our EXP team is role-playing twice a day. They're all door knockers. That's what they do. And they're building out a culture of door knocking. Now, a lot of agents are in brokerages like, oh, I love my brokerage. I would never leave my brokerage. Some of you guys I've talked to. And I say, how many people are knocking doors in your group? No, I'm the only one. And I'm told all the time that it's crazy. And why would you do that? And that's not the best thing to do for your business. Why would you go into that atmosphere when you can work with people that have killed it in door-to-door, also train you to be the top door-to-door salesman where other people can't because they've never done it. They think it's crazy. So get with people that know how to sell door-to-door real estate. Now, by doing that, there's some cool things that are going to happen. Culture-wise, you're going to understand each other. 2, you're also going to know if someone else in your group is outperforming, because guess what? We have group apps that's just for our door-to-door group that are talking back and forth all day. Dude, I just got on doors. Are you on doors yet? It's a culture, it's a family, it's a community, and we're strengthening and pushing each other. Hey, I just got into this house. Hey, I'm struggling with this objection at the door. Back and forth all day long. It's a community in which it promotes door-to-door sales, because that's what we do. Also, we do competitions, we do retreats, we do trainings that are all based around door-to-door sales and question-based selling. These are the type of things that are going to help you get up in your career where you need to go in order to expand and become better and stronger. You can go do it on your own, and you can stay with this Keller Williams group or Caldwell Banker or Century 21 or Realty Path or these mom and pop Southern Realty, whatever you're with. But if you're not around like-minded people with the same drive, same culture, you're not going to perform as well. If you get around people that are doing 250 contacts a week, guess what? You're going to strive to do 250 contacts a week. If you're around people that are putting people under contract every week, you're going to feel like you need to put people under contract every week. If your pitch isn't getting better, if you're not winning the competitions, if you're not top 3 every week, which we do a leaderboard, if you're not getting to where you're pushing yourself around like-minded people, you will not perform as well. It's a proven fact. But if you stay where you're at, guess what? You're comparing yourself to where you're at. Oh, I've got an excuse. Mine's harder, so I don't have to perform as well. Oh, they do it differently than I do. So, I've got an excuse. But if you're around like-minded people doing the exact same thing, there is no excuse. All there is drive and success and reason why you need to be on top of all the other agents and pushing yourself higher than any of the other agents. So guys, if you haven't thought about this, you need to join us. Get on our real estate team through EXP, and then let's get you to 15 million people, 15 million in production. Then we can go ahead and promote you as a leader, and then you can now train real estate agents in our systems and programs. Now, if you're like, no way, I'm staying at my brokerage. I love my broker. I love the people I'm with. Get into our coaching program. All it's going to cost you is one sale to pay for a year of coaching, and it will be the best thing you ever do. I tell people all the time, when you get in my coaching programs, it's not going to come in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You're going to have to literally be in this program for a year before it catches. And that's if you're constantly doing showings, out knocking doors, working hard, and getting all your contacts. So people, if you're ready to be successful, there is no easy button that you can hit on your desk and say, oh my gosh, I just picked up 4 listings. There's not. You've got to learn how to fish. Most teams want to hand you a fish through leads. So worst thing you could ever do, because as soon as they stop handing you fish and you don't know how to lead generate, guess who's going out of business? Guess who's not feeding their family? So the best thing that you could do in life is get with a group that's going to teach you how to fish. It's going to teach you how to sell. It's going to teach you how to get out with people. It's going to teach you to overcome yourself. It's going to teach you to be competitive, to perform, to have culture, to be in a team that is pushing each other for growth and success. So guys, whether you join our coaching program, join our team, buy our packages, it just depends on how fast you want to grow. You can buy our coaching program, and we're writing a brand new one, you guys. We are doing a door-to-door certification workshop where you can get all of these courses that will then certify you as a door-to-door real estate agent through our program, and it will give you a ton of information that's going to help you succeed. So we're excited to reveal that. We're getting ready to start filming all those courses. We've got a lot of curriculum written up, so excited to share that with you. In the meantime, we've got a door-to-door app that we're working on as well. That's going to be another massive thing that's going to help build out your success and your follow-up and all the other things that you're going to find from door-to-door real estate. So guys, thank you for watching. But yes, get serious about this. Invest in yourself and get on a team. Let us help boost you, get around like-minded people. And guys, get with people that have done it, that are still doing it. Guess what? I'm still doing real estate. I've got a bunch under contract right now. You have to get with people that are going to help you be successful. Look forward to chatting with you. Comment below some of the things you're struggling with, what you'd like to see happen, what a team can do for you. And if you want more details about our team, call me 801-243-4544. I'm excited as heck to work with you. I'm excited to tell you where we can get you. I'm excited to get you around agents that are crazy successful. I have multiple agents that are capped on our team. Our caps are way cheaper than most of the brokerages out there, and we have team caps. It's $13,000. That's it, which is about one transaction, you guys. And that pays your cap for the year, and then you make 100%. If that doesn't show you we're invested in you, I don't know what else does. So reach out to me today. Let's chat about it. Let's see what we can do to get you to that next level. Thanks for watching today, you guys. Have a good day.